Kamusta na mga ka-addict? Are you looking for a cheap and easy to install headlight that gives you enough bright light when riding at night? This is the SolarStorm X3. It's a 5V LED light with USB plug, aluminum casing, and it's small in size. This is the switch button for changing the mode and the level of brightness. And it comes with two different sizes of rings for securing the LED light. You can install this LED light on the handlebar or on the handlebar extender. In this case, I use the small ring to secure the LED light. This is a 20,000 mAh power bank battery, and this is what I use to power up the SolarStorm X3 LED light. You can use any battery pack that has 5V output port for this LED light. Bigger or higher battery capacity is highly recommended. 1-month storage, where I place the power bank. I'm in the park right now and it's very dark. I think this is the best spot to test the brightness of this LED light, SolarStorm X3. So I'm gonna be starting with its level 1. That's the level 1. Then let's go for level 2. Then let's go for level 3. This is the maximum brightness of the SolarStorm X3. Remember that this LED light SolarStorm X3 is just 5V and I'm using a 20,000 mAh power bank.